65. We get past this one, we can get him. Shallow. We're getting off at 127. Off 127. Taking 127. Bell pit. Bell pit. Oak Street. We're going left on Oak Street. Left on Oak. Across 40. 65 just got hit. Back out 40 out of 65 just got hit. Alright, we're still in pursuit, getting back on 40 here. 65, 10-4. Still in pursuit, out of 65, 10-4, back on 40. 40 westbound. Yeah, 10-4, 40 westbound. 65, we've got to stop him. Josh, we're almost to you. Somebody looked like they just clutched bikes back in.
Blowing tire. Pit. Pit 125.
Pit 128. On foot. Running on foot. You got 2 dogs. Y'all stop all the traffic on the interstate back behind us. 28, copy. Got it. Shots fired. J34 Little Rock, 1086 your troop. 822.
It looks like he on a light color top, possibly gray white.
Hey, unit to Donovan's with me. Enough units at Donovan's. We'll get somebody off Stephen Morgan to come in from that direction from CHTC.
OSP Adam 6 is at Stephen Morgan. We've got ball games going on at Hendricks.
In a unmarked police vehicle.
71-6. I'm at CHTC. Go ahead. Cody, does Conway have a drawing with a clear cover? I think so.
We've got someone bringing it to the movie theater. We'll launch it from the movie theater from here.
We'll launch it from the interstate. We're going to slow down in here. The movement and pushing. We got a good perimeter.
In between where he ran up to the Skyline exit, there's a big gap where he can cross back west if we can get that filled in.
Give me a full description. He's got on blue jeans. I don't know what color shirt he had on, jean jacket, lost his suspense.
Hold our ground or continue to push?
What's the creek? He's going to be on the east side of the creek in the field, just north of the location where he ran across. We're with him. There's 3 of them. Yeah, on the field. He was tracking north.
Anybody's out of use. Can you turn the sirens off?
In this parking lot.
ATC parking lot. East of, almost directly east of where the police car are on the interstate.
10-4, me, Bergen, and County are out in the middle of the courtyard right now.
There is a black object laying in the middle.
Units, we have the suspect. In custody or eyes? He's still alive.
No, suspect in custody.
if you can.
We're making our way down there now.
Oh, yes, we have CHGC on the phone. They're advising us the mail is checking their doors at this time.
Everybody out there okay on our end?
Air 4-8, the 10-4.
Yes, sir. I'm 70. I'm going to go ahead and clear the net. Sorry, I'm out here with them at the suspect.
10-4. All right, got a 65.
Conway patrol unit that can come over here. That's not SWAT.
Have a 70.
Get ahold of Conway and see what they want to do with this car. I'll sit on the car until they figure out what they want to do. We haven't gone through it. Nobody's been in it.
You get with Conway and see if they want to come deal with the car as far as processing it and stuff.
Yeah, 4 standby.